Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and while the vehicle is turned off with the motor off, find your dipstick here, which we'll pull all the way out. And then with a rag or paper towel, we'll clean the end off. And then from here, we'll check if I can get a focus on it. There's two dots. The dot on the left is your full dot, the dot on the right is your low. So you want it on that dot on the left or very close to it. And if you're very close to the one on the right, you want to add some oil. So we'll stick this back in. Still while the motor's off, this is where we're going to add our new oil. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, we'll just unscrew this cap. And then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well because that could cause issues. Once you've got your new oil in, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn it all off, and then I would repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're now full or not. And all this I would not do in replacement of your regular oil changes, which you can do typically by putting the vehicle on a slight lift. So you can get underneath of the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw that oil plug back in, nice and tight. And then back up here while the motor's off, we'll add all the oil recommended for your motor type for an oil change. Screw this all nice and tight. Start the motor again for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, and then turn it off, and then repeat the original process with that dipstick to see if we're on full. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.